Warning: this video contains flashing indicators and loud sounds that may be irritating or could trigger a seizure. If you have photosensitive or startle-induced epilepsy, I strongly recommend that you stop watching. Sincerely, Canada WX.
Tuesday, cloudy with 6.
Oh, wow. We did it. Actually, I won one pretty early. There it is.
Environment Canada has a message to broadcast. This is a required weekly test for QC0020. I repeat, this is a required weekly test for QC0020. Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour QC0020. Je répète, ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour QC0020.
That's it. Yep. She did nothing.